This little video is just to show you how to submit your artwork and upload it to the AP Studio Art digital submission page. First things first, make sure that you go to the AP Studio Art digital submission page and log in using your credentials. Thankfully, I have a student that let me borrow her credentials so that way I could show you exactly what you're going to be seeing when you log in. So I log in, and you'll notice is your specific name. Check to make sure that your name is there and your appropriate portfolio type. You'll notice on the left-hand side over here that there's 3 different sections. You know this already, so I just want to go through this one last time. Section 1 of quality. When you click on that, unless you're doing a 3D design portfolio, you are not going to be able to upload anything. And it'll tell you right there that you will be submitting 5 actual works. Got it? Good. Moving on. The concentration section and the breadth section look very, very similar. You'll notice that the key difference is going to be in the section of concentration that has your commentary. That is where you're going to be uploading your actual statement. I'll show you that in a little bit. Okay, so how to submit or upload the images. I could click on any of these that I want in any order. I could change the order later, but the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Browse. And then I'm going to go to the iDrive. That's where we've saved all of our artwork. So I click on the iDrive, and we know that we've saved our stuff under the Students folder. Then we go to Saved Work. You are AP Studio 1314. You find your folder. Now I've got my folder going, which is an example of what your folder should be. Once I click on that, you'll notice I have a breadth folder and a concentration folder. So I've obviously already segmented all my artwork into the different sections. I'm going to go to concentration, and you'll notice here I have some images in here, and I also have a folder titled Submit. That is where I've put all the artworks that are ready for submission. So they're the correct size, and all the adjustments have been made, such as white balance and cropping. So I'm going to click on Submit. There's my 2 examples, and now I'm going to click on Full View. I double click on that, and then I just have to wait for it to upload, and there's the image. Pretty easy, right? I could click on the image, and it'll give me a nice big view of it. So I'm good to go there. I'm going to click Close because I don't want to see that anymore. And then dimensions. I need to make sure that I type in the dimensions. So this artwork is approximately, in terms of its height, is about 48 inches tall, and its width is approximately 60. Under medium, what I'm doing and typing in here is I'm going to be as specific as I can and include as much information as I can. So this is going to be an acrylic painting on Stonehenge paper. So I type that in. Okay. Click OK, and then I'm pretty good. Now I'm ready to move on to my next artwork. Okay, so you're not going to be able to see necessarily everything that you've written down in there unless you scroll through, but it's in there. Once I've uploaded something, make sure that you click on Save All Changes. Images and labels have been saved. Click OK. Rock and roll. You're good to go and move on to the next one. And you keep doing this for each one of the images. So even though I have a close-up here, I'd be able to click on that and upload it. The only thing is that right now I'm a little worried when I look at the size. It says 3.01 megabytes. Odds are that's going to be too big, so I'm going to have to change that later. But you always want to check to make sure that you've got everything that you have ready to go. Commentary. I click on commentary, and here you'll notice that the questions come up just like that they're presented to you in the template that I've given you, that you're going to be able to copy and paste directly into this. It will give your character count, and you should be good to go. As soon as you upload something, you click Save Commentary. Okay, you wind up doing the same thing that you did for your concentration images for your breadth. Later on, I'm going to be showing you how you could actually change the order of these images. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I think that's it. All right.